In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use links to collect information about your recipients. Klaviyo. To get started, you will need to work inside the Klaviyo flow or campaign editor. This is where you design the email that your recipients will receive. Take a moment to open your project and locate the email template you plan to use. When you find it, open the template inside the flow or campaign editor. Doing this first is important because it ensures you are editing the live message that people will see and interact with. Once the template is open, look at the email content area. Your goal is to add a link that recipients can click, and that link will help them indicate a preference. Find the exact spot in your email where you want recipients to make a choice. This could be near a question like a preference prompt, or it could be within a button that stands out as the call to action. Now click on a button or a text link, depending on what you want to offer. For example, if you want the interaction to feel prominent, you can choose a button. If you prefer something more subtle, a text link works just as well. At this point, keep your eyes on the editing panel or settings window that appears after you select the button or link. You should see options for how the link behaves, including the link address or URL field. The next step depends on that URL field, so it is a good idea to verify you are viewing it before continuing. After you select the button or the text link, you will paste a special tag into the link address area. When you click into the link URL field, you are telling Klaviyo where that link should send the recipient, and you are also instructing Klaviyo to capture their choice. This is the core of the method, so be careful and make sure you are typing or pasting into the correct URL field. Before you paste anything, take a second to confirm that the field says something like link address, link URL, or URL. Then paste the tag directly into the link URL field exactly as provided in your instructions. The tag looks like this: %update_property_link, your_property_name, their_choice_value, https://yourwebsite.com%. Now a quick note about what each part is doing, so the process makes sense as you work. The first value, your_property_name, is the name of the property you want to update in Klaviyo for your recipient. The second value, their_choice_value, represents the value you want to store based on the choice associated with that link. Finally, the third value, https://yourwebsite.com, is the website destination included in the link. Even though your main goal is to capture the selection in Klaviyo, the link still includes a destination URL as part of the complete link. After pasting the tag, review the link field to ensure the formatting is correct and that the braces and spacing match what you pasted. This helps avoid issues where the link does not properly function or does not update the intended property. Once you confirm it is correct, continue editing the rest of your email as needed. You can add more links later if you want multiple preference options, but the key mechanic is the same each time. The link must contain that update_property link tag in the URL field. Finally, save your changes in the editor so your updated button or link is kept. If your workflow allows it, you can also preview the email to confirm that the button and link appear as you expect. That way, you know recipients will be able to click the element and that the link behavior is in place. And that covers everything you need to know.